What's going on, YouTube? It's your man Just Zach coming at you with a more beautiful beard and also another beautiful video for you guys to check out today. We are gonna be going through a video and having fun with some of the followers from the Just League, but it turns out that these particular folks are from different countries, different areas that have, well, let's just say different servers that they run off of. And I was on their servers because I thought maybe it'd give me a little bit more advantage in their lobbies because of their KD versus mine. But what I didn't know is that I was gonna be rocking 200 ping in these games, or more in some senses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's me lagging my butt off and having a blast the entire way. This was so fun to play, to shoot, to do, and I hope that you guys enjoy it too. So again, remember, if you haven't become a part of the Just League, please click the links in the description below. You'll find my Twitch. Come into the chat, say hi. We'd love to have you around. You guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Of this song better, chat. Whoa, what is my ping right now? 200 ping.
Really?
I'm sick at 100 feet.
Holy. Yep. It sometimes happens.
All right, chat, we're gonna see if we can win it on 200 ping. Oh my gosh. I have like an infinite lag on my screen. So if I die off the drop here, it's because the game didn't allow me to pull my chute.
I think that's because my servers are lagging, so I think we need to join your what's called server. We should join your.
Oh my word, this is ridiculous.
What servers are this?
This is Europe.
That might be why I'm running off of Europe servers. European servers. Oh, use? You're really far away, bro. Use.
He's muted, I don't know why. It shows me.
Use
that
you're
he's
muted. Yeah, use you're muted, bro. And you're like, driving away on the train. Okay.
Oh, he told that the servers the server.
Yep, he is timed out. Man, this is gonna be rough. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, oh, your servers are bad, bro.
Yeah, my servers are bad.
I don't know why no one wants to play on European servers. Now I know why.
I think I'm gonna go in US servers from now on, cause like,
Guy landing in. Oh shoot. He's down.
Okay,
I'm rushing it. I don't even care anymore.
I'm coming.
They're dead. Oh no. Bro, I'm dead. How are you not? Oh my gosh. How did I win that fight, chat? I think I lagged around his bullets. I'm playing on 200 ping and somehow winning. Just ours. I'm lagging. Oh no. Oh, this is the end.
No.
Oh, this is the end.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like they haven't been lagging so hard. Like when I play solos, it doesn't lag too much. It lags a bit, but not like this.
You'll make it.
Okay, nice.
Oh!
No.
How are you not dead? Chat, how am I alive? Riddle me this, Batman!
I can't even go upstairs. Like, bruh.
What?
No, how? Oh, he had shotgun. Oh no, it was sniper.
Trotzdem auf dem Dach und die haben mich richtig gefickt.
And then I died! Chat, holy buckets, we were on a tear. I haven't even gone to Gulag! Oh no, bro!
That was like bad. Did it lag for you? Like
A little lag.
oh,
Oh, a lot. Oh, a lot of lag, bro. I'm literally just playing like what I can right now. I'm playing out of my skull. I don't even know. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's working.
I don't know how you survived that long, like in these.
Yeah, you see how I'm moving right now?
Sometimes it lags so much that it looks like you have speed hack or something.
Fils de pute.
Only 5 left.
Ah, there it is.
Oh,
Got 2 down. They're all dead.
Let's go. I'm outside.
Bro, I'm trying. Crawl to me. You're crawling the wrong way.
No.
Woo! We clean up those teams, chat. We clean up the teams, and we get our teammate up. Yo, can I get my loadout, please? Jeez. It like went to the very end of the bar and then stopped twice.
Weird.
Dead. They're looking at the house.
Yeah.
Oh, they just struck him. Oh, and it almost hit me. I'm getting high ground on the left side.
I see them at the buy station.
At the buy right now. Oh, he's running across the road. He's one shot running across the road. Down him right in front of me. He's at this rock right here. If you can finish.
I'm moving.
Trying to see. Hold on.
He's right here on blue ping. Never
Got up.
downed him. Another one down. Another one on the backside.
Oh, yeah.
Down.
I got. No, he got me. He eliminated me.
Who did?
Yeah, I was top of the hill, bro. Someone just came up behind me.
Oh, it's a full
No,
team.
I got assassinated.
Your
No.
teammates are sent to the gulag. They'll
Embarrassing.
fight for a chance to redeploy.
I have 52 shots left to my name.
Hostile. Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Bro, I have no ammo.
That's never happened to me.
Did they cross the street? Hughes, you got any pings for me, man?
I'm taking fire. Mark the target.
Down one, right on that live ping right there.
Believe that. There.
Moving.
I've got movement. There. I've got movement.
Yo, let's go, Hughes.
Where the hell are my guns? Oh, right here.
Guys shooting at me from northwest.
There's more plates here. If you don't need them.
I downed him.
We got disconnected.
Oh no, Hughes. Do you have UAV?
Safe zone.
No.
Oh shoot, okay, I can pop mine once zone starts moving. Or you want me to do it now?
Orange ping. Yeah, for orange.
Friendly recon's online.
Nah, when it starts moving. Yeah,
Shoot, I already popped it.
yeah.
It's 30 seconds either way.
Yeah. The people to the left, that one guy.
I feel like we're gonna get pushed from behind, from over here.
They've
think
nicked
so?
everything.
I think so.
For hostiles.
They're pushing.
Those guys are pushing. Are they pushing all the way around?
It might be.
They are, yeah.
They're gonna come through here.
Movement.
Nah, they ain't.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
You got one down. Nice, nice. One's on that corner right there. I tagged him up a little bit.
They're stuck. On top. Cluster.
Movement.
I'm not clustered.
I was.
Top is beamed. Top is one shot.
Down. One downstairs is down.
Okay,
Up top,
nice.
I mean, down, top is down. The one that was Oh, good job.
Got one down. Oh, help, help, help. I killed him. Heal up. Nice. That's team wipe. I hip fired that kid when I was stunned. Another guy right outside that wall here.
Moving here.
I'm not with you. I'm not with you. I'm just looking for people pushing. Nice, good team wipe. There's still a team over there. I got one.
Building up.
Two more.
Building up.
Right here. Straight ahead, beamed. He's flashed me. Nice, let's go! Woo! GG's, bro. I just dropped the 20 bomb too. First game of the day.